So you're gonna be seeing a lot of videos just like this here from now on, because we're gonna be including these guys in all of our videos because this is our life all the time. This is gonna be fun.
The staircase is a good representation of the next year of our life.
Exactly. Hey everyone!
Hey guys!
Okay, so we wanted to very quickly make a video to show you guys the process, a 3-day process of getting all of our keepsakes items into storage and all of the things that we're taking into the RV packed and ready to go.
And everything ready for the big estate sale this weekend.
Yay!
It's been a crazy 3 days week.
And it took longer than 3 days, so you're gonna see 3 days, but it was a lot longer.
It's really a span of like a week.
Like a week, yeah, I would say a week.
Yeah, but there were 3 main days that all of this happened, so that's what you're getting to look at. Okay, it's time to make decisions. I'm not typically like a person who holds on to a lot of things. I do have sentimental things, but this is a lot harder than I thought it was gonna be.
I just dropped the kids off at Grandma's house. We didn't tell the boys that we were gonna be putting things away. We'll talk to them tomorrow. We'll talk to them.
They know that we're doing it.
We should have talked to them, but
Mistake!
there's things that we're gonna forget all along this process. So this behind me right here is the very first piece we ever bought ourselves when we got married. It's been through the history of our marriage. I mean, we're talking about 8 years now, and so we have to sell as many things as we can in order to afford doing things. We have savings, we've sold a house, we're selling the car, which I don't know if we're gonna get much out of the car. So if you ever wanna know what to get us, like as a gift or something, if you're wanting to get us a gift, it's Jim Shore Disney figurines. That's what we want.
Wine.
Or wine. We'll always drink wine. I just spent a good while talking to my mom about all of it. She wants everything. She's so worried about us getting rid of things.
It bothers me that they're gonna sell it all, and then if it doesn't work out, then we have to start all over again.
If you believe in something, that's all that matters. No one else has to believe in you but yourself. You're always gonna have people that aren't gonna believe in you, and that's just life. That's just how it is. So that's how we have to.
Doesn't make it easy though. It's hard.
Yeah. Great job. Look at you boys doing such a wonderful job packing the toys that you're gonna take. Can you tell the camera how much fun you're having packing your toys for your adventure?
Grandma, I'm having a good time it's for the back there.
Whoa, Brady.
I'm taking these two.
Wow.
Great job.
Yes. Great job, yes.
We must take Betty Fish. We must.
We must. Brady, show us your toys that you're taking. Whoa. It's heavy, because he's taking so many toys.
I'm taking so many because I love all of them.
Yeah.
I got these toys.
Got more fuzzy friends.
I got this Mowing swimsuit.
Oh, I see.
And I'm so excited about Toy Story.
You're so excited for Toy Story? Yeah. What are you most excited about our adventure?
Mommy and Daddy and Brady and Bailey.
Oh, you're most excited about Mommy and Daddy and Brady and Bailey all being together?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh. All right, boys. We're just about at our end of Fuzzy Friends.
Just 3 more.
Okay. Those are all the Fuzzy Friends we're taking, boys.
That was so much.
So we're taking all of our final things that we're putting into storage today. My dad has been gracious enough to loan us his truck and also bring my nephew to mow the lawn, and because the lawn is in desperate need of attention, some TLC. Thank you, Caden. Here's my dad who's coaching Caden along on mowing the lawn. They came over to help to mow the lawn, and my dad is doing some work, but he is loaning us his truck to use to put things in storage, and he looks very excited about it. Okay, so Jess is right now putting final Fuzzy Friends, which are stuffed animals in our household, into bins and baskets that are going into storage that they're not taking, and this is kind of a tough, this is a tough one for us. This is mine when I was a kid. I'm gonna miss you so much. This is Jess and my very first teddy bears we ever had, and we're not taking them with us. This was mine. This is Jess's teddy bear. Jess's has been loved a little more, you can tell. Thank you, Caden, for mowing our lawn. It's your very first lawn you've ever mowed, and he's doing an incredible job. So if you need your lawn mowed and you live in the DFW area of Texas, make sure you hit this guy up. So it looks like we're keeping a lot of stuff. It really does, but
all the boxes say Disney.
they all say Disney.
Yeah.
We're just keeping our Disney stuff. That's all we're keeping.
That's all I saw.
Are you having fun, Caden? It's okay if you're not. You can say, not really. I wish I was mowing lawns instead.
I like working, so this is pretty nice. And we're in the AC. So
We are in the AC.
That's
Temperature
nice.
controlled because Jess's grandmother's piano is going right there. Okay, so we have officially taken everything to storage that is going to go to storage. That's it, no more items. Everything else is going to be sold at our estate sale, which behind me, we are starting to get set up for that estate sale. It is crazy. I mean, just seeing some of these things and knowing that we're gonna be just getting rid of things that we've had since the beginning of our marriage is just so insane to think about for us. The only thing left now is to have this estate sale, and then we're off on our journey, on our adventure as a family for an entire year. So that's a very quick glimpse of the process it took for us to get everything into storage and everything else ready and packed away for the RV.
It's pretty crazy. Been a long week, but we're ready. We're almost ready to have the estate sale, and it's happening this weekend.
This weekend, so you're watching this video today, and it's happening this weekend of the,
That's right.
I don't know, if you're watching
23rd of June, 23rd and 24th.
this, 2018. Who knows when you're gonna be watching this.
Like, say a prayer or